Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
In a sunlit glade where the daisies dance, lived 5 little ducks who loved to prance. They quacked with glee and splashed in the stream. Learning their numbers was part of the dream. "Let's count ourselves," chirped the leader named Lou, with the flap of his wings and a joyful coo. "One," he called out as he spread wide his wing, and the other 4 joined in to hear what it brings. "2," said sweet Daisy, with a soft little sigh, as she dipped her beak low and gazed at the sky. All 5 ducks giggled, their hearts filled with cheer. Counting together made joy reappear. "3," shouted Benny, as he leapt from a rock. A splash from his landing made quite a loud shock. The ripples danced lightly across the blue pond. While each duck counted more, they were growing so fond. Then came bright Ruby with feathers like flame. She fluffed up her chest and she proudly proclaimed. "4," echoed softly like whispers on air. With every new number they banished all care. "Oh, look at that cloud!" quacked plucky old Ted. "It looks like our friend who's just flown overhead." He pointed above where an eagle did soar. But now they must focus, there were numbers galore. 5 altogether they honked with delight. Their voices rang clear through the warm summer night. Now counting was magic, a spell they could cast. For learning was simple when shared and amassed. As dusk settled gently over hills far away, they counted to 6 while shadows began play. "7," cried Daisy as stars twinkled bright. Each number was treasure wrapped snugly in light. And so 5 little ducks learned from 1 unto 10. Through laughter and friendship, time and again, with hearts full of wisdom that counted each day, they waddled home happily, not wanting to stray. So remember this tale of those ducks by the stream, that counting together can lead us to dream. With love in your heart and your friends by your side, you'll find joy in each number as life becomes wide.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.